These old clothes look completely useless. Worn out, faded, ready to be thrown away.
But what if we could turn this into brand new fabric?
Step 1. Sorting used clothes color-wise.
Different materials require different processes. This step helps improve the final fabric quality.
Next, deep cleaning. Removing dirt and chemicals. Clean fibers make stronger fabric.
Now breaking it down.
Clothes are shredded into fibers.
Back to raw material.
Soft, fluffy, reusable. Fibers are aligned through carding. Drawing removes tangles. And prepares them for spinning. Now spinning into yarn. Fibers twist together. Creating strength. From waste fabric, turn into thread. Now the transformation begins.
Weaving turns yarn into fabric.
Each thread builds structure. Slow but precise. A brand new textile is born. Next, finishing and coloring of the fabric. Preparing for final use.
Giving it a fresh new identity.
From this old clothes to this new fabric.
A complete transformation.
This process reduces textile waste
And protects our planet. Sustainable and smart.
Old clothes aren't trash.
They are full of opportunity.
Think before you throw.